Alright, Jim, here's your 489 Big Block. Give you a description of this combination. Got the Chevrolet valve covers on it. Obviously, it's got the Borla. This is the very first one they did for the big blocks. The little block heads on it, custom grind hydraulic roller. With the Motorsports oil pan, marked front end. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. 3,200, 597 foot-pound of torque, and at peak torque, 596. So everything's pretty flat there. Peak horsepower 607. What we'll do now is we'll pull the pipe back, make sure it's good and clean, and show you a couple things here. When you see me, find the signal looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. And the crate will be this in the spec sheet. Highly recommend reading that. Have a great day.